Hello students, welcome to NeoTeach. This is Srinivas Brahmoji. Today I am going to teach C tokens followed by simple C program. So first of all, let's see that simple C program, how we will write that first C program. So simply I am taking one program to print our name on monitor. So to do this, first we are writing hash include stdio.h. We know that standard input and output header files are necessary. So to do printf function means like output operation, we required a printf function. That's what printf function available in stdio. So that's what we are using, that one. And then next of all, void main function we are writing, beginning of the main function, and inside the main function I am writing printf function. See here, printf function, inside that I am writing simply welcome to NeoTeach. So whatever we write here, that is going to be print on the monitor. So this is simple program. Once we write this program, we can save this program as like first.c. So .c extension is required. So then after we compile the program and run the program, that part I will show in the technical part. So my question is here, while we are writing the program, how I am going to approach. Example, suppose why I am writing this hash, why I am writing this include, and why only we are writing this symbol and stdio.h and this angle, closing angle bracket, and why only we are writing this main function here, and why this opening, why we are writing this, means all over the part, like what are the elements I am going to write and which order we are writing, that is very important. So while we are writing the program, how many elements having the permission to write in the program, and how we can write, like in the capital letters or small letters, and what are the order and what kind of elements we can use to write in the program. So that part I will cover here. So that is completely covered by using the tokens. So as we know that token is nothing but permission. Suppose in place of parking, we taken the token to hold our, like stand our vehicle. So like that, C tokens are nothing but the elements which are eligible to write in the C program is considered as a tokens. So that's what I can say here. Each and every individual element in the C program is called or known as C tokens. So actually following are the tokens I am listing here. So generally first one, keywords. So first one is keywords. I will explain detail. First of all, list out them. So second one, identifiers and variables, constants, strings and operators and special symbols. So basically these 7 kind of elements we use to write in the program, that's what these 7 things are called as tokens. So let's discuss the first one. So first one is keywords. Actually Dennis Ritchie designed 32 standard keywords in C language. So all those 32 keywords I am listing here. So actually what do you mean by keyword? So actually keyword in the sense the word already defined and having the fixed meaning, and by using that keyword we can do some functionality. So example I will give here, like suppose x I am taking, x is a variable. Before x if I write the character, so the x will become character variable. So same thing, the x, if I write the integer before the x, then the x will become integer variable. So in this case I can hold the x, like I can hold any character into the x. In this example, the x have the capability to hold the integer numeric value. So by the keyword, the functionality of the x is changing, like character or like some numeric value. So like this, we can see this 32 standard keywords, like automatic variables we can define there. Break is also keyword, and case, character, constant, continue, and default, do, and after that double, else, enum, extern, float, and for, as well as go to, if, and then after int, long, and register, return, short, signed, size of, and static, as well as like struct and switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. See, all these 32 keywords which regularly used in the programming. See, suppose just now I told character to declare the variable, and int also we use just now to declare the variables. Like this, day to day in each and every program, how we are using all these keywords, I will explain. So each and every keyword having the fixed meaning, and we can use it in specific functionality. So these 32 keywords are standard keywords and predefined, already having the fixed meaning. So that's what we can use in our program. Next, second keyword, like tokens, second part of the tokens, identifiers. Especially identifiers are nothing but identifying the name of anything. Suppose my name is Srinivas, I am identified by Srinivas. Like that, whatever the things we are using in the program, like we are declaring the variables and writing the functions and writing the arrays and structures, unions, whatever it may be, we are just writing some elements. To identify those elements, we are giving some names. So that's what every name of variable or every name of arrays or name of the functions, name of anything is considered as a identifier. And example I am giving here, see main function, example main I given integer a. What is that? A is nothing but variable. What is the name of variable? A. So that's what A is, a identifier. So basically lowercase suggested to write the identifiers, and like special symbols also we can use, but it is better to start with characters. And the third one is variables. Variable means the variable is nothing but the quantity which value can change during the program execution. So we can declare the variable by using the following syntax, like see data type. So simply here data type followed by variable name. So data type is nothing but any data type like integer, character, float, double, etc. So here we can write the data type, and here we can write the identifier, means name of the variable. So example I am giving here like integer n. So integer is the data type, n is nothing but the type of the means variable name, and float x. Float is the data type and x is nothing but variable. So character C, character is a data type, C is nothing but the name of the variable. And next come to the part of fourth category, means in the tokens, fourth one, constants. Constant is a quantity which value cannot change. Actually variable can change. Here constants never change. So that's what we can say, constant is a quantity which value cannot change during the program execution. So these constants are also classified into two types. They are, first one is numerical constants. The numerical constants are also further classified into two types. That is like they are the first integer constants, like integers like 1, 2, 3, anything. And next one is floating constants. Floating means like floating point values, like example 1.5, 3.7, like etc. And second category is alphanumerical constants. We can also call as character constants. In this also two types are there. So they are like single character constant, like suppose A, B, C, individual single characters which are enclosed in single quote C. And the string characters. String means the group of characters enclosed in double quotes. That's what this is the string constants we can consider. So examples I given here. And next the fifth thing is strings. So as I said, string is nothing but the group of characters which are enclosed within double quotes. Anyhow, we have a separate chapter for the strings, there I will cover that. And next one is operators. Operators means operators are especially used to perform the mathematical operations. For these operators also we have a separate chapter. There we can discuss like types of categories of operators as well as types of operators and working with the operators with the programs. Next, special symbols. So last one is special symbol. Every special symbol which are available on keyboard, everything is considered here and every symbol is valid and eligible to write in our program. That's what special symbols like following. I listed all these special symbols. See, at the rate of and dollar, like next one is question mark we call, and ampersand and cap symbol. This is called as exclusive or, and plus symbol plus, and then after minus and asterisk, regularly used for like pointers as well as multiplication, and question mark, and then after forward slash and backward slash, is equal, and underscore symbol, dot symbol, comma symbol, as well as double quotes and colon symbol and semicolon. Then after like left parenthesis, also called as left bracket, and right parenthesis are right brackets, and curly brackets, they are like open left parenthesis, we also usually called curly brackets, and closing curly brackets also called as closed right parenthesis, and this one is left square bracket and right square bracket, and exclamatory symbol and pipe symbol, and greater than symbol, less than symbol, and as well as percentile, percentage we call, tilde symbol.